Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to trade cryptocurrency on the Bitrue exchange. This right here is one of the top exchanges in the crypto space. If you go over to CoinGecko, you would see that it has a very good rank and you can trade over 500 coins on this exchange. The main reason I am making this video is to inform you about an ongoing event that could make you a good amount of money. Keep in mind that this video is sponsored by Bitrue, and I am going to walk you through step by step on how to get a share of this amazing reward. Right now, if you want to get started, I would leave a link in the description of this video. The first step would be to sign up on this exchange. All you need is just an email address and a password. And once you fill in all this with my specific link in the description of this video, then you can go ahead and sign up. You would be eligible for various rewards. Once you are done, this is how your homepage is going to look like. There are two ways to fund your wallet on this exchange. You can click on this buy and sell right here. In this section, you can buy cryptocurrency directly to your Bitrue account with any of these third-party platforms. And the second way you can fund your account is by clicking on assets right here and select deposit. In this section, you can manually select the coin that you want to deposit into this exchange. For the sake of this event, you just need to deposit at least 30 USDT and transfer this amount to your Bitrue futures account. All you need to do is to click on USDT right here, select the network you want to use, copy your USDT address to your current crypto wallet. Once you are done, the next step is to go to the futures section right here. Click on USDT futures. This is how the futures section looks like. I am going to briefly go over all this right here and show you exactly how to place a trade on the Bitrue exchange. But first, I need to tell you something very important. Before you can get a share of this 100,000 USDT, you first need to do KYC. The reason why you are going to do KYC is to get a fair participation in this event. So once you sign up and you have made your deposit, the next step would be to do KYC on the Bitrue exchange. And to do this, you would first have to select your country. This right here are the basic information that I need to provide on the Bitrue exchange in order to complete my KYC. And once your account has been verified, you are now eligible for the ongoing event. Keep in mind that before verification, you would still be able to deposit, withdraw, and trade on the Bitrue exchange. Now let's get back to the futures platform. This right here is the futures section. You can select any asset that you want to trade right here. Use the price chart for your technical analysis, and you can also add some indicators to help you when trading. Go over to this section right here where it says indicators. You click on this and search for any indicator that you want to use and trade. For example, I am going to click the Bollinger Band. You can see right here, this blue line is the Bollinger Band, and you can use this to help you when trading. Now the next section right here is the order books. If you place a limit order, it is going to appear in this section, whether it is a buy order or a sell order. Right here is where you place your order, and you can either place a limit order or a market order. If you use the limit order, you are going to be providing liquidity into the market. So when you set in your price and your required amount, your order is going to be placed in any of this section. And before you can buy long or sell short, you have to select the margin you want to use and also the preferred leverage. If you click on this cross margin, you can either use cross or isolated. When you use cross margin, this is going to use the entire balance in your futures account to keep your position opened. But if you use isolated margin, this is going to use a specified amount to keep your position open. So if you are just starting out trading, it is better to use isolated margin. But for right now, I am going to stick with cross margin and click on confirm. The next step is to adjust your leverage. You can click on this and you can use from 1x leverage to 125x leverage. Just know that the higher leverage you use, the more risk associated in entering that position. For me to minimize the risk when trading, I use a minimum leverage of 1 to 5x leverage. So I am going to change this to a 5x leverage. The way leverage works is that you are going to be making more money with less. For example, if I use a 5x leverage and the price of the asset that I am trading goes up 1%, I am going to make 5 times profit. And also, if the price goes down 1%, I am going to lose 5 times my money. So this is basically how leverage works, and that's why you should be careful when you increase your leverage. So right now, I am okay with this. I would click on confirm. The next step would be to fund my futures account. So you click on this right here. I would be transferring USDT. Select the amount. You can see that I have successfully transferred 100 USDT to my futures trading account. I can go ahead and manually input the amount I want to trade with, or I can use this percentage slider. For right now, I am going to use 50%. When you are using limit order and you want to place a long position, make sure you set the price below the current price. And when you want to enter a short position, you should also set the price above the current price. So right now, let's say I want to enter a short position. I would have to change this to a higher number. This shows that I would be shorting this amount at a price of 29,500. So right now, I can go ahead and enter a short position. These are the details of my trade. Confirm. Right here, as you can see, my order has been placed. And when the price goes up to 29,500, my order would be executed. If you scroll down, you can see your open orders in this section. You click on this. This right here is the order I just placed. And if you want to cancel this order, you can go ahead and cancel this order. One thing about using limit order is that it will take some time before your order gets executed. But if you don't want to wait, you can cancel this order right here and use market order. You can change your order type from limit to market. And when I choose to input my quantity, this would execute my trade instantly. If I click on sell short, you can see that these are my order details. When I click on confirm, my trade would be executed instantly. So this is basically how to use the futures platform on the Bitrue exchange. And during the time of this event, if you choose to trade futures, you would get a chance to earn up to 500 USDT in futures trading bonus during the period of this event. This is one way to make money on the Bitrue exchange. There are other ways for you to make passive income by clicking on earn right here and select farms. In this section, you can stake and earn high interest. You can select a coin that has a high amount of APY and stake that coin. This right here is the period of staking. For example, if I choose to stake ICP, I would get this amount of APY over the period of 90 days. If you click on stake now, you can stake ICP and get reward in BMAX. So this right here is how you can basically stake your tokens on the Bitrue exchange and make a good amount of profit for yourself every single day. If you don't have enough funds in your account, you can also take loans. Click on this right here. In this section, you can borrow a particular amount and pay back over a period of time. Right now, I am eligible to borrow this particular amount. Below right here is the daily interest that I am going to be paying as long as I hold this amount of USDT. And before you can take a loan, you need to do KYC. Over here, you can see that you must have done KYC. And this right here are some of the rules before you can borrow a particular amount on the Bitrue exchange. I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content. And if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I would really appreciate it if you do so. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section and I will try answer all your questions. For right now, this is going to be it for this video and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.